Power on. Open air pressure above 0.6. Display screen. Chinese English. Select English. This is the English page. The first action is reset. Let's get that motor back in place. If we debug it now, we use the wire for 0.41 diameter wire. It's the same size as your wire. Total length, front and back strip, half strip. Tail half strip. With a twist. Twist and tin both sides. Auto. The first is scrap wire. No, he won't send it to the factory. This is the front end. This is the back end. Front end tin. Front tin. This is for flux. The middle is for tin. Parameters of the flux and tin wire scraping. This is the switch. Let's turn off the front end tin. Only open tail end tin. Front end no move, tail end tin. It's the same for tail tin. First line is for tin water dip. The second is tin dip. Third line is tin wire scraping and feeding parameter. Peeling knife value is value for stripping copper wire. Return knife 0.2. The knife cut value, just pull the wire through and cut it. Another important point is wire twist. Twist special settings. The first strand. Strand switch. Twisting 13 circles. Twist speed is 6. Back to circles. The stranding number 13 depends on your wire length. The longer the wire, the greater the number. The shorter the wire, the smaller the num is. Turns are. That's when it reverses the angle. If you don't reverse it, it'll blow up if you release it. That means turning and reversing to take that force off. Start turns number. First one. That is, after one circle turn. Indent each circle by 1.2. Because it gets tighter and tighter, the twisting gripper will move forward. Give it enough distance to twist. Otherwise, the wires will break. This is a secondary wire clamp. Client has a requirement for twisting distance. Keep both sides above 12 and 16 on one side. After the secondary clamp is opened, the clip will move forward in a different direction. Guarantee untwisted wires are shorter.